there a need for more judges? Is there a need to break the convention and put it at 20?
There is. There is overwhelming need. You know, what happens is that the way we run our court system, you know, the issue for me is not even the number 20 or even 25. The issue is how we manage our courts in such a way as to ensure that only certain types of cases can get to the Supreme Court. As it is now, it's an open for all thing. You can decide to file an incompetent brief, a brief that has every chance of dying, stillbirth, and still get it before a panel of judges.
And waste the cost time.
And waste the cost time. And it is done all the time. Sometimes you go to the court and you realize the judges are frustrated. And certain practices have developed. The court has developed certain practices just to take out certain, or to read out briefs, incompetent briefs. But what is happening is that it's the kind of court system that we have that permits that kind of culture. And as long as that culture is there, look at how the number is climbing. How does the court discharge? So for me, the discussion now is not about 15, about 20, or about 25. I believe, and I honestly do so, that as long as there's a need for more judges in the Supreme Court, and not only in the Supreme Court, all our courts at all levels, unless we do the kind of work that would define how cases must move from one jurisdiction to another, and so forth and so on, we may even go beyond these 20 that we are now quarreling about. So as we speak now, given the kind of caseload that the Supreme Court has got before them, if they are to move, and I'm telling you, they are really hardworking. That much I must say for the judges. They're really hardworking, but they require more of them, and more jurisdictions need to be created, and so forth and so on. So for me, and I say this, it's not about even the numbers. I mean, this business of a capital 15, a capital 20, a capital 10, what does it mean? Does it mean that you're going to stop people from going to the Supreme Court, or that you're going to push the judges to take on more case laws, or what does it mean? That kind of statement cannot be made without reference or without regard to a whole system, overhauling the system as to justify the numbers. So as far as I'm concerned, it's not about numbers now. It's about the need. And if you got 500...
So there's a need.
That is so.
Because of the backlog we have.
That is so.
So how do you fix that problem of need?
Well, that backlog we have those administrators, those who do the administration of
the Chief Justice's solution is increase the numbers so we
that
can
is
deal
so.
with the backlog.
And I agree with that.
So by here is to increase the numbers to 20.
I agree with that.
Okay.